Hi friends, today I'm going to make a fish preparation. I love fish. Let it be fried, curry, grilled, or steamed. Any preparation. Fish is always my favorite. So I'm going to show you a very special preparation which is very quick and easy. I'm going to add one onion which is very thinly sliced, two green chilies sliced, tomato. I have taken one tomato which is again very thinly sliced, and curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. My fish is already marinated. Little bit of turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, fish masala. This is an eastern fish masala from south, that's from Kerala, and this is my favorite masala for the fish. It gives a very good taste and nice color to our preparation. I'm going to cook my fish in this dish and we are going to microwave it. Little bit of this mixed masala. Cover it with the rest of the masala. Chop coriander leaves on top of it. It's already in the microwave and I'm going to cover it. Our fish is ready. Look at this. Lovely it's looking. It's well cooked and I will show you the masalas. All the tomatoes and the onions are all well cooked and soft. And let's pick up one piece of fish. Yes, it is looking so good. Mmm, very good. Very tasty, very tasty. Salt, tanginess with the tomatoes, and that fish basal has given a real good taste to this. You try it out and I'm sure you're going to love it. And it's so easy, so simple and very quick. These onions and tomatoes are my favorite. It is with the taste of the masala and the oil. They taste awesome. Friends, my lunch is ready. My very tasty, delicious fish, and I'm having methi ka paratha with that. So I'm going to enjoy it. What about you? Try it out. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I need your support. So please press on that like button. Subscribe for my channel if you are not done it. Please like, share and comment. Thank you. See you soon.